This is my view outside YouTube. Rain. It's a rainy day, but it's nice. So, on my second video, I forgot to call myself Shadow Izzy, but I don't think you'll care. Well, okay. Well, yeah, rain. But it's nice. I like rainy day schedule, but yeah. We get to have lunch and we get to hang out in the gym during lunch, but yeah, it's nice. Well, I was talking about school. Anyway, I'll see you when I get back from school. Okay. Love you. Mwah. There's my car. There's my mom's car. And look at my tree, guys. And it has paint. And I can see it. There. I think now you can see it like a little better. Here are my shoes. They're like a little dirty. See? That happened like last week, which didn't go so well, but yeah. And there's a hat. Boyfriend's. Okay, I'm gonna go, so yeah, see you guys when I get back. So yeah, bye.